created this red trio for women who love reds, but also women that aren't that confident in knowing what shade would better suit their complexion. So I'm going to try on each one for you and show you the differences between them. I've swatched them on my hand. The top color is Red and Butter. This is great if you have yellow and golden undertones because this yellow-based red will brighten your complexion. Also, if you just love a bright red, then this will be your new go-to. As far as blue-based reds, Red Carpet is considered a true red, and this color is also great for people with golden undertones. And the bonus that comes with the blue-based red is that it whitens your teeth, so I love that. And then the final red that they have is Red Rover. And this color actually sold out within 2 weeks of the launch. It's a berry-based red, and it's perfect for those with deep complexions and pink and warm undertones. It's also the ideal deep red for wintertime. So as you can see, this is a very vibrant and bright red. I think this is a perfect red, especially for spring and summer, because it has a little bit of like a corally red vibe to it. And it feels super soft and silky on the lips, so I know that it's not going to dry on my lips. Next up we have Red Carpet. This is a blue-based red. This might be my favorite color so far. I think this is like the perfect universal red because it just brightens up your smile, and I think it looks great on everyone. So last but not least is Red Rover, which is their best-selling red. It's the deeper of the three shades, and I do love this as a more dramatic deep red. Let me know which red was your guys' favorite, and I hope you try these out and let me know which one you like the best. Also, don't forget to check out their website where they show many different models of varying different skin tones with each of the lip colors. That way you're able to see which red would probably look best on you.